we are about GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. The more UK for a concern Ghanaians one the most share so UK Bawumia no kudu and it went to me and consider just a mayor. The answer me send na beba. Message say when subscribe to the channel now message say over subscribe. We are say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification where is a new video beyond also once can be. Afriyie now would like video give us a thumbs up. Nafi share my awful for us now when you be my warfare. Afriyie Yambura sending. Ghanaians are one UK one for one consent Ghanaians one the more essential so that anymore one to or near the air to be money Bawumia say was say economy no. Na Bawumia so could it maybe UK program be say na no ti went near court say or hair pressure ban so na say that one paper be graph temora. Now when I have been lady if you pokade a home apuga. Now yes no yintie and some course so the more a UK are one yintie Bawumia yintie and some course
only under Akufo-Addo, only under Bawumia. So Ghanaians are suffering, teachers are suffering, nurses are suffering. I'm quoting Bawumia Johnny free and demonu I say on me quoting.
Your brain must choose for you who could not ballot paper. Your brain must show you say, Mammy to my way. I am landing for no. So me say a Jumana young Ghana for a was a yeno and no and a young yeno. They are saying say Bawumia promise say A, B, C, D. 8 years no one yet. Until Aden Awomba. Nay, no one's nasty near Busa question. Why you have failed to do A, B, C, D, and E? Ah, those are the things. What's up to me here? Now, you know, Mona Kamuya was some years said, Mamma Jama, Mama, no papa, and no brown penny for a year. You know, Ghana need a win, Kwane, you, a sad. In the next 20 years, I was here prepared so well as someone on Baby Ghana leadership. Because anything people in ya, more than what's up with him. Now, one moment to transform Ghana. Would the leader say, Mama, 20-30 years ago, President Mahama, no a young man, and not a leader. How you groom yourself today will determine the kind of leaders out of the mind. But you almost and then some more can tell my word or more say. Bawumia and Kojo no more here, and almost about me, Johnny, one button hole, no cry. But the next week, the following week, now Bawumia or fundraise almost ended about me about captain's ban about me. I don't know about that. We'll go into because NBC, MPP for chairperson, watch London, also by joining any say. Now, I'm growing a the international level. Politics not say, oh, Ghana, no. It's not limited to just Ghana for politicians or Mote Ghana. Everywhere you go, once or be a Ghanaian, they don't lose their identity and their citizenship as a Ghanaian when they travel. They be. And to the airport of Ghana, now all for some they are watching or also kind of you are tabloid better. In fact, they are 2 city need to enter Ghana new in team. Yenya kukudron koka abroche for they will do it. And that's the demonstration they do the video. Remember. I know that here, no one and I like what they were saying. And no one almost say, and no one almost say, Mama, you know, so they are not being biased and don't being touched. I must say, you know, so they are doing the demonstration for Ghana and you know, benefit to the Tiomubium.
Where's your bandit?
Hey, Adamu, Bawumia Bawu. He's coming. He's coming. I know.
The message
The last person that comes is he's coming. Oh, okay. You might definitely be here. Why we here? Why
It's Ghana 1 hour landing. No, they are showing said this is the reason why. This is the reason why. Omoya demonstration because specific Niyama about me, I saw Omo boss obey ABC they were failing. That is why they wanted to beat him and discuss with him. I'm sorry.
One district, one country.
It's a lie.
1 million. 1 million.
Just smiling with your arrogance.
The city all be lie.
Okay. Did you hear the
Where is Bawumia? Now what is Ghana's debt? Where is Bawumia? What is Ghana's whiskey to Ghana's economy? He promised 1 million every position. Is it? Oh, look, as you go there, as I said, whatever you eat feel bad is coming from the criminals. Yes, corruption. Tróuble. Yeah. One district, one factory had one line always. Yes. Anywhere Bawumia stands, he comes out. They promise one district, one factory. It's a lie. It's a lie. Planting food for jobs. It's a lie. They promise one constituency, $1 million. It's a lie. They promise Accra to be the cleaner city. It's a lie. They promise that the money is here. We will not borrow. It's a lie. Now they have gone to IMF to borrow. It's a lie. They are lying.
Well, indeed, you what you approach for and kind of Mukasa, they might be a buying share or mobono. It's a lie. These are the things I was a Ghana for. No, you who said these people are doing their work and approach your big demonstration. It's a lot of sacrifice because when you're by the hour and then by day to 18 Ghana cities, no, they are paid by the hour into the whole day or be by the hour, about £50 and have one also all year demonstration. It shows you how far these people are going to protect the interest. I won't know what to Ghana to the new now. Pesa obeyeno. But message be a branch as and dia na me fa ye Owusu chen or can leaders no lead a protest no na me fa nem remu. Obi send message say a normal politics Kwaku Annan to me. It's true. I remember under NDC in 2016 how MPP for Aremeyaw New York. Omo nyina ye demonstration. Nanansa about for London. No omo ye demonstration against Mahama. These are all normal politics. So beyond these things, no, how do we ensure say Ghana ni because they are due to make sure very, very important. Say normal politics. Demonstration say you often and perform a demonstration in there be more interest be. Nobody you NDC to so before you got that demonstration will cry decent. I'm saying more money I check for concern Ghanaians no. Money I check Bawumia cry because we check demonstration be in the way I must about me, I don't know why we ran away from this demonstration. Because the demonstration party who be against NDC, Mahama. A lot of them. And the NDC 2016, we saw it into a normal trajectory. But the question is, how can we use against free demonstrations to help shape Ghana? Open your chairman, good evening, Akwaba.
If you have made you so.
But just how you have now.
Ghana phone money.
Good. First and foremost, we NDC and we are concerned Ghanaians.
Me that say if you the money course no against Bawumia, concerned Ghanaians.
Okay.
Ghana.
Concerned Ghanaians because obi message I send fake Ghanaians near there. Ghana for they say and say no. Obi chana dey na ne fake Ghanaians. Wait, papa or two fake Ghanaians you know. It's up any but time in part of watch that to do quiet demonstration no. And patrol before the but time no. I no question if you mo kasa Bawumia Johnny.
Yeah, if you are MPP UK chairman, about substance about me about town hall meetings so Ujane.
Okay.
Ujane because now Ghana folks say Busan say 2014, 2013, and 2016. One
thousand raising voice kakra mane. Na yento nkan kwafo so.
What is say Obano? What is say Obano kaso megaphone? Also promises say one district, one factory. If you are family from baby or can be any call. Planting for food and job, if you have a patrol, say MPP for Nebaswa, and the current agriculture minister, Busan say, policy document. I didn't know year free search engine. Or more free Minister of Agri website. There's a lot going on. If the question is there, Bawumia say, or no, I had more Bank of Ghana, or by Ghana, young call IMF, yenye borrowing, yenye BBR, but then the Ghana IMF. If you have a new meaning, or hey, ye or mammy, name Papa no more, almost pension, almost come out of buying bond. A buying saying principal ni profit, you know. On farm name or the more 2036. I fear I deal with you say we are Ghana ni. It's Bawumia Ghana for instance. Oh, but there are 170 questions now beside Mr. Atta no. Beyond on a factory Ghana for. And then he ran away. The same Bawumia, the same MPP UK, the same program I'm calling sorry one about. So if you are so called town hall or rebel empty spaces. BBA no Ghana for now. A day before town hall meeting, no. Fundraising. If you are fundraising, I reho. I buy also a fundraising 1 year. Nobody pay the money because people are not more here or more board money in 2016. They know say Akufo-Addo or a fake government. They know say Akufo-Addo. Now a scrap metal and a packaging as iPhone Toma Ghana for in 2016, including Bawumia. And if you are Bawumia also all Babe Ghana yen, a dear Ghana economy here on tray. On tray, on one case, and a town hall now call ya lectures away, you know. A small Kenya never this one. Why is Bawumia running away from the economy? The economy. Why not where they also
Johnny? Because if you are not something held him up somewhere, some money in the first and foremost, money in the appointment say or back. More we are petition by man say these are more as concerned Ghanaians. We no more challenges, we no more concerns. Money ni be bizarre.
We don't have to. I fear we don't have to because Ghana hits the cost of Ghana. Because I fear when him say a BC Ghana that say Bank of Ghana say or no or ye Ghana, a Bank of Ghana no 60.8 billion. I get that from Bank of Ghana. I mean man say mad about if you know me no say what broach there. Every month via ye discako Ghana. Do you know say if you as at now Sikana Eko Ghana no remittances no 12 billion is missing. You need baby afa. So
12 billion of foreign remittances ben ko ana yen Ghana ye siki yes why all Ghana ye sika so kan.
Me no me any foreign remittances
it's missing.
Missing. Me see reported that.
But you must you must give us evidence. Because me see you find evidence of court.
If you Auditor General report. If you Auditor General report, World Bank is reported. Say, me know me and it's gonna be quite rich. The fair which they call Ghana no. All says I would call Emrada home. It's a company no case all your transfer no. I was so tax man buy no. That companies if you $12 billion missing. It when Bawumia or Abe Ghana you know. Why is he not talking about the economy? I don't know where you're free home. And also here digitized. And no or baby no can was the same Bawumia catch says was what here lenses allowance. There's one lady school ni nurse no good say. Also what you my con nursing training college 3 years in baby we me san come there. Or no so ye mate no or to me instructed finance minister say interest can man. So I'm mate. But now only Akufo-Addo do because of ye mate no don kan home. Name what me instruction say finance minister own tria nursing training allowance. We wanna say on bubu or mine. So we are Ghana ni but it's some cost of Ghana no. If you recently I watched Parko Syndrome the Facebook page. Mpacho obi e uti me bia no. Unya time akọ Parko Syndrome the Facebook page. Na onu ankasa GM Bank or call run or shop bank na ye guno na ne offices enema ye basa afia mi soin. Question is say e die na Parko Syndrome ye ya ye guni bank.
Yeah, but who read the Bank of Ghana report on Parko Syndrome ni Adan Kofono? Did you read it? Where they spoke about corporate governance breaches. There were clear breaches by all these banks. Righteous how there were issues.
If you are Parko Syndrome GM Bank one breach any corporate laws one breach because
open I disagree. Open you read the Bank of Ghana report, Mbacho. Open you read the Bank of Ghana report.
If you are court, a court, there's a court, is a more formal lands man me boy.
I don't know about the honor, but if you read the Bank of Ghana report, see, their courts are saying different because courts they will put before the court the legal issue. That's different from corporate governance. Corporate governance is not a legal issue for the court.
Yes, we are journalists. What you say? They all kind of yes, we are journalists, but there are some issues where we a court process say park or syndrome abandon a car. Road contractors, wabo mobusia, or say more for Sikanamana Scana Mojino, Milans Limintia, abandons the Buntia. Yaguni Bank. This is the issue because I ban being over to employ the whole Ghana say may employ, but private entity like Pacosindium or over 300 banks across Ghana. If you do know every branch be any pan or employer. So some profiting na Omuguni Bank, they are home unemployed.
Yeah, but I am careful using the language of Obi Bank because even prior to banking sector crisis, there was a crisis. There was a crisis. I started with DKM. God is love. There was a crisis, and the crisis was that bank of only bebre no magiska divert other things. I mean, Bank of Sindumia, he had a bank in America, or the top bank of America. Even he had a problem. He could not even pay the money. He was using some of the money from America to Ghana. It's a banking issue. No, so when situated here, you owe the bank. The banks were already struggling. Unibank, there's a reason why Unibank was called ADB because they were struggling in terms of their deposits. There's a record or a chain. That shows you a lot of them not making composite and depositors money. They could not repay. What you can't pay them.
But that's that they were struggling. And then banks like are they still struggling? Bank of Ghana, system for 8 billion IRA. If you're casting back your mind, you are in America. In 2008, 2010, American banks and cooperating companies, they were struggling. A free BB TARP, 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 no, America ban they buy say banks need struggle. It's a fellow travel relief program to they buy, and no pushes come to the banking system say more bread and money says when I'm on fire. If you didn't catch us in Akufo-Addo buying, only the same thing in Ghana. No good banks. Say we are going to go bank in Diano, I'll go no. If you there are so many questions, and then the former finance minister, a friend of Ken Ofori Atta, Ghana Bobu send a whole tree and no because the company and the year OG profit because the more I borrow scale from the bank, World Bank, IMF, outside Ghana no. Now no, the bank on the company no, so if you could see him for that. Only under Akufo-Addo, only under Bawumia. So Ghanaians are suffering, teachers are suffering, nurses are suffering. I'm quoting Bawumia Johnny free and demono I say on me quoting. So the same question you about Bawumia say teachers now who year the day of 2014-15 no are they not suffering? Teacher ni nurse nyatna we school no o say obi a teacher ni o say we are ultimately employing straight more unconquered license exams.
You're waiting for winning, and some of your concerned Ghanaians are one way UK. The more one get here a year, Dr. Mahama Bawumia, and Nuna Hunsel a Chabu, like I was just so and our hello, so we don't subscribe. Let's just say over subscribe and I like it. Now, watch a video, I'm awful for so any now. Also, bet me actually what in Afriyie and somewhere now I will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.